severe thunderstorm warning for northern Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania, north central Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 7:50 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Glenmore, or 15 miles northwest of Westchester, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Glenmore around 8:05 p.m., Downingtown around 8:15 p.m., Lionville and Pewtown around 8:25 p.m., Chester Springs around 8:30 p.m., Phoenixville around 8:50 p.m., Paoli around 8:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery.